5 units of SOLWAH solar water heater delivery to Benin, Edo State. 5 units. This is 300 liters capacity, while you have 250 liters capacity. This is going to Benin City, one of our clients in Benin City. The hotel bought this for Benin City. Here we have the solar evacuated glass tube. This is an evacuated glass tube. For this 5 units, we are using 14 cartons and 5 pieces. These are the materials for installation to brace the roof. Materials to brace the roof. While this is the solar water bracket 5. Ba no yi na ce. Loading process. Here we have 3. Loading 5 units of SOLWAH solar water heater en route to Benin City. My name is Benin Road Integrated Services Limited. Just loading it. You can see en route to Benin City. My name is Benin Okoye. Call me Benin Solar Water. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen. We are Road